Today was certainly another hot and dry day. We did make it to 105 degrees when normally this time of year high should be in the mid 90s. The record though 112 from back in 1909, and we were nowhere near that, thankfully. Rain free though, we could certainly use it, but until we actually do get some rain in here, I expect temperatures to be well above normal. The drought's going to continue and the fire threat's going to be an issue. So tomorrow afternoon, we already have that extreme heat warning in place for the Metroplex. You can see that all shaded in pink, but the orange, that's the heat advisory. But here's the deal, no matter how you break it down, it's just going to be dangerously hot for everyone across North Texas with temperatures well above normal. So you just have to take all of those necessary heat precautions. This is our Fort Worth camera right now. Everything's pretty quiet. We do have lots of sunshine and it's still miserably hot. It's 106 degrees right now with the south wind at 10 miles an hour. We're at 105 right now in Denton. There's 107 down in Meridian. There's also a 107 over in Seymour, 105 right now in Athens. Satellite and radar has been very quiet, and I expect it to stay pretty quiet. Again, from time to time, we get some clouds that kind of bubble up around us and a couple of showers in parts of Oklahoma and even parts of Arkansas, Arizona. Everyone gets the rain except for us. Earlier today, there were some clouds along the coast and maybe a couple of pop-up showers, but that's it. We've got this ridge of high pressure that's been in control over much of the southern plains, and it's just going to continue to be a big part of our weather pattern, at least for the next week, but potentially extending even farther than that. So we don't really have any significant rain chances to talk about, and there's also no insignificant rain chances to talk about from time to time. Maybe in a couple of weeks, it's looking like there could be maybe a chance of rain here and there, but every time that we look more at the data, it just kind of goes back and forth with the heat dome just kind of dominating what's going on across North Texas. So over the next few days, I expect temperatures to stay several degrees above normal. We're either going to be near record, even possibly break some records in the days ahead. I don't think that's going to be the case tomorrow, though. We're forecasting a high of 106, and the record tomorrow's 112. I don't have any of that in the forecast. Now, as we get into Thursday, though, we're forecasting 107. The record that day is 108. On Friday, we're forecasting 108 and the record's 109. But on Saturday, we're forecasting 107. The record is 106. So I think we could easily tie, possibly even break that record. So for tonight, mostly clear. It's going to be warm and humid, and temperatures only drop down into the low 80s. Tomorrow afternoon, it's going to be dangerously hot again. We're looking at a high of 106, but it does get hotter a couple days after that. This weekend, it still looks very hot. We're still expecting lots of sunshine. From time to time, we might have a little bit of a light breeze, but that's it. The second half of the 14-day still looks very hot. Temperatures ranging from 100 to even a little warmer than that, but we really don't have any rain chances for a while.